Do I need to worry about recalls for my hip replacement? Hello, I'm Dr. Dan Albright with Raleigh Orthopedics. First answer is no and then maybe, meaning if you have a hip replacement using tried and true technology that's been out for years, good research, good literature supporting it, you don't need to worry about a recall. That's my opinion. The time to worry is when the products are newer and something is the latest and greatest. Be careful. As a patient and consumer, be careful about market hype because there's a lot of hype out there. And there's always the latest and greatest of something that ends up being worse than what we're using already. So yes, recalls have happened with hip replacements, with poor engineering, poor design, poor quality of the materials. Metal on metal hips we thought were the latest and greatest many years ago, and they've been recalled, or several of them have been recalled. If you have a hip replacement in place that's been recalled, yours may be fine. It may be fine. You're not going to have surgery if you feel great. But it's a reality that sometimes hip replacements go in and later we find out that they're defective. Very rare, but that can happen. So you want to make sure you know what's going into you. It ought to be from a mainstream company, mainstream American multinational company, and it needs to have research. Decades of research, in my opinion. That's what I use. You don't want to get too experimental with what's going in your body. If you have more questions about recalls or concerns or the weaknesses of what could be in the hip replacement technology, I'm happy to talk to you. Please feel free to call our appointments line. I'll see you anytime. Thanks.